VLM has also been a proud alma mater to thousands of brilliant students who have led the way in the fields of engineering, corporate, government bodies, and social sciences. As the wheel of time proceeds, VLM continues to be a leader in the field of academics and co-curricular activities in the city of Alwar. The mission of holistic education, fun learning, and ethics form the epicenter of Vijay Lakshmi Memorial Public School's growth. It is rightly worded by Frederick W. Robertson: instructions end in the schoolroom, but education ends only with life, who become harbingers of change and growth in the society. The goal of BL Memorial Public School. At BL Memorial, we believe that education is a preparation for life, that it is an enjoyable, interactive, ongoing process, and creative citizens. Our objectives is to inculcate a positive attitude
in the minds of our students so that they may probe deeply into the realms,
and we aim for a perfect synthesis of ancient
welcome to the grand annual day celebration of Vijay Lakshmi Serves the World Abound.
So without further ado, let's get started with today's program. To mark the auspicious beginning of our event, may I now...
Chief guest, Secretary Dhruv Sharma, to present a bouquet.
तालियां तो बनती हैं.
Now I request for the past 70 years, the values and ethics that VLM imparts to the young.
Education is growth. Education is not preparation for life, but life itself. We know that school is always a world of miniature where effective, meaningful, joyful learning takes place. It is the most significant period of life where children grow from toddlers to adolescent. That's why it is the most significant period of life, and here students they form and consolidate the basic values which act as a spine for rest of the life. VLM vision is to ignite human greatness, unlocking the inner genius. VLM has become a hub of excelling in academics as well as in co-curricular activities. I firmly believe that action speaks louder than words. So please put your hands together for the most awaiting moment, that is prize distribution ceremony. For that, I would like to call Mrs. Nivedita Bhatia and Mrs. Mahua Mukherjee on the stage.
Firstly, I would like to begin from our class 10th session, from session 2022 and 23. 2022-23, Devendra, who has secured more than 90. Many students secured more than 90% students in 2022 and 23. Moving to session is 2023, more than 95% he has secured. He was a very sincere, good score. Is Mayank Gupta. I request Mayank Gupta or his parents to come on the stage. That continue to the session 23 and 24, where we improved our performance, setting great precedent by scoring 98% in the year. 13 students score above 90%. Now MBBS. And now we to the next list. We are announcing the names.
Now the other toppers of class 12 are
Devang Mutreja. You can see our students are so sincere in building their careers. Vibhor Yadav. Purva Bhardwaj. Daksh Sharma. Komal Yadav. Aryan Bhargav. Manasvi Khandelwal. If the parents are sitting over here, are requested to come. Ayushi Yadav, Isha Gupta, Jyotira Aditya, Rituraj, Harshit Jain, Parth Chukla. Now I request all our toppers to stand in a group for a group photograph.
Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Education is not the learning of facts but the training of the mind to think. Just congratulate to them with a thunderous round of applause.
Talia, please, audience.
The
It's all about excellence, hard work they have put.
The beautiful thing about learning is that no one take it away from you. Success is not what you have, but who you are. Believe you can, and you are halfway there.
With a topper score of 97.4. Heartiest congratulations to all the students and a big clap for the parents also who have just put a very hard work for their children.
Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. Learning never exhausts the mind.
Now I request, thoda late hi sahi, one of the topper I announced in the first, Tanya Gupta, whose mother is here, who has secured 96.6% in academics. She was the district topper. Please clap for her. We are thrilled to announce that Tanya has achieved an outstanding All India 23rd rank in CA inter-examination and first position in Alwar district. Tanya's success is an inspiration to all our students and a proud moment for our entire school community.
An investment is knowledge, pays the best. Congratulations to them again. First position, and Chahat Yadav, also from class 9, secured the 3rd position. So a huge congratulations to them. I would request their mentors, Nivedita ma'am as well as Meenakshi ma'am, to be there on the stage. Strive for progress.
Gold in
not
under
perfect.
17. Rifle Ansh Chaudhary, who has secured gold in under 14 category. Archery Krish Seni, who has secured bronze in CBSE National, gold in RBSE District, bronze in Open District. A big clap for him. In fencing, one of our students, Sapat, has selected for national also.
फोटो का सेटअप पहुंचा सकते हो क्या?
Sapat from our school has been selected for fencing.
I request mother of Sapat to come on the stage, please. If the parents are here, requested to come and collect their awards. Now the TT, Amishi, Bhavya, Sakshi and Anushika. Sports students are requested to gear up their speed.
Moving to the next category, Taekwondo, Nafisa Hassan secured the silver medal under 17 and she has been selected for Khelo India.
Next is Shatranj ke khiladi, or I must say the leaders of our chess. In girls category,
Moving to the next, under 17 category boys, Krish, Sahil, Ayush and Prince.
of claps please. तालियों की आवाज नहीं है.
Now moving to the team game cricket.
Bhavya, Dushyant, Akshat, Tarun, Vishal, Neel, Lucky, Krish and Arav. Please come on the stage.
Naitik,
Music थोड़ा जोर से लगना चाहिए.
Naitik, Lakshya, Neil and Krish, they have been selected for state also. So
Now it's time for under 17 category. 17 category and the students name were
second position, we have got the silver medal, Jivesh Yadav,
captain please.
Vaibhav Singh, Bhavishya, Dhruv Yadav, Ayush Yadav, Kunal Agarwal Jain, Manashdeep, Satvik and we have secured the first
All-round development and holistic dream of the child. Moving to the next category.
under 17 football. Shahid Khan, Parth Yadav,
Champions heart beats strong in you. 22, 23 and 24 session. 4. She also secured more than 90% in academic.
Congratulations to
All
have
of
this August gathering in our school premises today evening. The school is a hub of all the activities and a place where we concentrate not only on those subjects which are considered to be more difficult like science and maths, but we equally emphasize on other co-curricular activities, sports activities, arts and culture activities. The best part is, friends, that we together have been able to win a lot of accolades and trophies and prizes for us and for our school. That you have just witnessed that how many of our students have won many prizes at national level and also at the state level. I want to assure our parents that you have given your children in the best hands to mold. That is hardworking teachers of VLM school. We believe every child is talented. We need to recognize his talent, his qualities, and try to bring out best of his qualities. In our school, students are doing very well in academics also, at national level also. Our students are giving excellent results year after year. Many of our students have cleared prestigious exams like IIT, AIPMT, KVPY, CA exam, etc. Many of our former students are doing well in different fields of work and profession. Apart from academics, our students have done very well in sports, debate, dance, drama also. In football, cricket, table tennis, taekwondo, basketball and chess, many of our students have won prizes at state level and national level. The credit for it goes to our hardworking and dedicated teachers and sports coaches. Here I would like to tell my worthy students and teachers, reach high for the stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads to a goal. It is time to chill, to cheer, to shine, to inspire and to be inspired. Parents, Today we have a very special guest with us, Mrs. Sunita Baisla ji, a great and inspiring personality. I was lucky enough to be her classmate at the University of Rajasthan in the history department. She was a scholar par excellence and inspired many other students also. She was not only the university topper but also one of the youngest candidates to get selected in IAS examination. She is also a very devoted administrator, and as I understand and as I have been told, she has introduced many reforms in the taxation system of our country. She is also a philanthropist and social worker. I believe that many of these qualities she has inherited from her father, late Colonel Baisla Sahib. He was also socially active and worked for the upliftment of downtrodden people and those people who are unprivileged in the society. I once again welcome Mr. Neteja in this function. I am sure that your kind presence in this program will inspire all the students and teachers of VL family. And Sunita ji, I will request you कि कभी आप अलग से आएं and interact with our students one-to-one and inspire them so that they can learn many things from you, because she was the person who got selected in IAS examination at the age of 21 years only. Here I'd like to say about our honorable guest, the fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the winds, but goodness of a person spreads in all the directions. Our students and teachers have put in a lot of hard work, energy and dedication while preparing these programs. This is the time they want to showcase their talent from stage to all of you. I would like to tell our teachers and students who are going to perform very soon that a true artist is not one who is inspired only, but also one who inspires others. Dear parents and guests, I hope you will enjoy the culture programs to be presented by our students very soon. A round of applause from all of you after each performance will boost their morale to perform better next time. At the end, I once again welcome you all. Deepavali season is coming. Happy Deepavali to all the guests and students. May this festival of lights illuminate your path to success and happiness. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Ajay Mathur ji, Principal Rekha Sharma, Rekha Sharma, Madam Anita Mathur, teachers, staff, parents, guardians, and dear students. It's a pleasure for me and a great honor to be here this evening, to have been invited for this annual function celebrations of the school, Vijay Lakshmi Memorial School. Ajay ji ne bataya that I am his classmate. We were together in the university. And when I was posted here during the COVID years, I had the posting of Alwar. We renewed our ties and we have kept in touch. It is nice of him to have invited me here today for this function. Ladies and gentlemen, as I sat there on the dais and as I am standing here today before you, I have this absolutely beautiful view. इतना सुंदर दृश्य, ये सुंदर अरावली हिल्स, इतना बड़ा स्कूल का ये एरिया, मेट्रोपॉलिटन टाउन्स में स्कूल ऐसे होते हैं, 10 मंजिल 15 मंजिल उस तरफ हम जा रहे हैं. उसके कंपैरिजन में इतना खुला माहौल, आपके फील्ड्स, ओपन स्पेसेस, जब स्पेसेस ओपन होती है तो माइंड ओपन होता है. I want to congratulate the parents and the students who are studying here in this beautiful environment. You are truly lucky. You are truly lucky to get your education here. Today is the annual day celebration. Annual day is a very special day. साल भर इसकी कल्पना होती है, फिर इसकी तैयारियां होती हैं. सारे स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स भी सब मिलकर के एक बहुत सुंदर कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत करते हैं, बच्चों का फेलिसिटेशन होता है, बहुत सुंदर मेमोरीज बनती हैं, टैलेंट उभर करके आता है। I want to congratulate all the students who have done brilliantly well in academics, all the students who have performed as outstanding sportspersons, and other students who have done very well. School is the perfect place to nurture your talent, to develop your talent. The school takes pride in all the activities that you do inside the classroom, outside the classroom, on the fields. So make the best use of this opportunity. I'm glad to see that the school is paying a lot of attention to many important games, and the children are excelling over there. Dear students, you are in a school. What does a school mean? Is it only a building with classrooms where we have academic lessons, जहाँ सिर्फ पढ़ाई होती है, या स्कूल इससे बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ और है? मेरा मानना है, as the principal herself has said, that it opens a world of opportunities and it creates the person that is you, and it prepares you for the world outside. जब आप स्कूल से बाहर जाएंगे तो आप adequately prepared होंगे उस दुनिया में कदम रखने के लिए, अपनी जगह बनाने के लिए। स्कूल एक ऐसी जगह है जहां आप लाइफ लॉन्ग दोस्त बनाते हैं, लॉन्ग इंड्योरिंग फ्रेंडशिप्स। स्कूल एक ऐसी जगह है जहां आपको टीचर्स का आशीर्वाद मिलता है, उनका साथ मिलता है, उनका गाइडेंस मिलता है, और आप अपने टीचर्स के साथ ताउम्र एक कनेक्ट बनाए रखते हैं। जो टीचर्स बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं या बहुत अच्छा आपको गाइडेंस देते हैं, वो ताउम्र आपके जहन में रहते हैं। समय समय पर आप उनसे गाइडेंस लेते हैं। मैं ऐसा इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं 1982 में MGD गर्ल्स स्कूल से पास आउट हुई थी, और आज तक मैं अपनी टीचर से कनेक्टेड हूँ। मेरे जीवन के जो भी कुछ उपलब्धियाँ जब भी होती हैं तो मैं उनसे शेयर करती हूँ और उनसे गाइडेंस अभी भी लेती हूँ। तो ये रिलेशनशिप स्कूल में बनती हैं। स्कूल एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ आपको खेलने का मौका मिलता है, जहाँ आपको टीम स्पिरिट आपके अंदर पैदा होती है, एंड यू वर्क एज अ टीम। जीवन में टीम की तरह काम करना सबसे बड़ा लेसन है। इट इज़ द बिगेस्ट लेसन ऑफ लाइफ, where you learn to share, where you learn to sacrifice, where you learn to step back for the general good. जो आपका एम है, ऑब्जेक्टिव है, उसको प्राप्त करने के लिए, जो कलेक्टिव एम और ऑब्जेक्टिव है उसको प्राप्त करने के लिए इंडिविजुअल को कभी कभी सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ता है, पीछे हटना पड़ता है। वो लाइफ का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन है, वो आपको स्कूल में मिलता है और यहीं से नींव बनती है। सो you get leaders are nurtured out of schools, leaders who lead in life. I'm not talking about politics, but I'm talking about your workplace, I'm talking about your life, I'm talking about your community, I'm talking about your relationships, where people need to take decisions. What you have learned in school goes a long way in your life. In school, you learn what is right, what is wrong. ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ आपके को जीवन में वैल्यूज सिखाई जाती हैं और ये वैल्यूज आपके साथ जीवन भर चलती हैं। स्कूल की सिखाई हुई वैल्यूज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो दिस इज अ प्लेस ऑफ कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग। चरित्र निर्माण होता है स्कूल में। इसमें सबका योगदान है, टीचर्स का, फेलो स्टूडेंट्स का, पेरेंट्स का, सबका। पर द फ्यूचर ऑफ द कंट्री, द फ्यूचर ऑफ द नेशन is nurtured in these institutions, in the schools. That is my understanding, and my belief, and I see it happening. It has been mentioned that I got into the civil services very early. Not really. I got into the civil services after doing my MA while I was doing my MPhil, at the age of 24. Yes, I got in without any coaching etc. उस समय हमारे साथ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ राजस्थान में काफ़ी सारे लोग थे, हम लोगों ने मिल कर के तैयारियां करी और मुझे सफलता मिली। पर मैं आपको बता दूं कि आज जिस रूप में आप मुझे देख रहे हैं, मैं प्रिंसिपल डायरेक्टर जनरल इनकम टैक्स हूँ, मेरी ऑल इंडिया जुरिस्डिक्शन है, पोजीशन है। और अब मैं अपनी सिविल सर्विसेज की जर्नी के एट द एंड ऑफ माय जर्नी ऑलमोस्ट, मेरी शुरुआत बहुत अलग किस्म से हुई थी। मेरी शुरुआत मेरे गांव में हुई थी, करौली में, और मैंने पढ़ाई करी थी शुरू पीपल के पेड़ के नीचे। हमारे मास्टर जी थे पंडित जी महाराज, जिन्होंने हमको पढ़ाना शुरू किया। और मेरी यादें, मैं कहती हूँ कि चाहे आप किसी भी स्कूल में हो, स्कूल की यादें बहुत सुनहरी होती हैं। तो मेरी उस पाठशाला की, ओपन एयर पाठशाला, जहाँ गांव के बच्चे पंडित जी के पास चले जाते थे कुछ पढ़ाई के लिए, कुछ सीखने के लिए, वो भी बहुत मधुर मेरी यादें हैं। और उसके बाद फिर मेरे फादर आर्मी में थे, मेरे को मौका मिला जगह जगह पढ़ने का। मैंने मोस्ट ऑफ माई स्कूलिंग MGD में करी। सो आई हैव ब्रिलियंट, ब्यूटिफुल, मोस्ट इंगेजिंग, मोस्ट एन्चांटिंग मेमोरीज ऑफ MGD। बट शुरुआत मेरी वहाँ से हुई थी। और स्कूल्स ने, दोनों जगह के स्कूल्स ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट लेसन जो मुझे स्कूल से मिला, एंड आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू चिल्ड्रन, इज गिव बैक टू द सोसाइटी। व्हेन यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेरी वेल, कोई CA बन रहा है, कोई MBBS कर रहा है, कोई फौज में NDA क्वालिफाई कर रहा है, आप सब कॉम्पिटेंट हैं, केपेबल हैं, जिस भी फील्ड में आप जाएंगे बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, and you will blossom into the world. But when you do that, when you have achieved, when you are stable, start giving back to the society. That's very important. Another message to the children is aim high. Low aim is crime. आपके अंदर बहुत potential है. Be ambitious. Be focused. Be hardworking. Strive for your goal. You will reach there. Make your parents, make your teachers proud of you. Also, I will say to you, practice gratitude. Practice gratitude towards your parents. Practice gratitude towards your teachers, your school. Practice gratitude towards each other. We are very lucky. We are extremely lucky to be here studying in this institution. We must express gratitude. Learn to respect. Respect the environment. So much of pollution, you can contribute a lot. Respect humanity. Respect your parents. Respect your fellow human beings. And above all, respect yourself. Please learn to have a lot of self-respect. In the making of every human being, self-respect is paramount. आज का दिन एंजॉय करने का दिन है, आज का दिन खुश होने का दिन है, सेलिब्रेट करने का दिन है। स्कूल के बच्चों ने बहुत प्रिपरेशंस की है, एंड आई एम श्योर वी विल हैव अ स्प्लेंडेड इवनिंग with the children giving their best performances. I would like to congratulate the school on conducting this program, and I want to wish the children the very best in life. Do well. Make your institution proud of you. Be the great person that you are bound to be. Be kind, be considerate, be generous, and challenge your own self. Challenge your own self to achieve the highest pinnacles in life. My father has been remembered today. I thank Ajay ji for remembering Colonel Saab. This evening will be incomplete if I don't acknowledge the great contribution that he has made in the life of his children, that is us. My parents, मैं बच्चों को कहना चाहती हूँ कि माँ बाप अपने बच्चों के लिए बहुत सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं, और ये बात बच्चों को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एक अच्छे स्कूल की फ़ीस देना, एक अच्छा प्रोफेशनल कोर्स कराना, बच्चे के साथ हमेशा खड़ा रहना, ये बहुत बड़ा पेरेंट्स की तरफ से कमिटमेंट, सैक्रिफाइस, अपनी प्रायोरिटीज़ को पीछे करना और बच्चों की प्रायोरिटीज़ को आगे करना, ये पेरेंट्स ही करते हैं बच्चों के लिए। तो बच्चे इस बात को कभी ना भूलें। My father, my mother, they did a lot for us. Today is not the time. Maybe on some other occasion I will come and speak to the children about how much parents sacrifice and how important a role they have in the making of a child, in the development of the personality of a child. So I thank you for inviting me, Ajay ji, and the school management, and I congratulate you for your beautiful school. I wish the school the very best. May it grow. May your students do very well in life. May we read about them in the newspapers, their achievements, and may your students come back to the school and inspire the new generation that will be sitting in the chairs and that will be performing. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Staff also who worked tirelessly behind the scene to make this event successful. A heartfelt thanks to other students also. You are the heart of this function, and without you this function would not have been possible. A special mention to parents and guests for their presence and encouragement. Your involvement strengthens our community and keep us striving for excellence. Last but not the least, a big thank you to organizing committee and volunteers. Your tireless effort behind the scenes made everything run smoothly. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Thank you.
Class should be there.
Thank you.
I request all the audience.
Your achievements as a scholar, your devotion. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir.
Now I request our
Grandeur, aesthetic and achievements. I am delighted to share the many victories our students have achieved in co-curricular activities. Our school participated in the inter-school debate, quiz, speech, music and Model United Nation. Our students were the only student delegation from Alwar in the Model United Nation organized by NIIT Neemrana. where they competed against various top universities across nation. Not schools, but universities. Many of our students achieved various accolades. Our students participated in 3rd MEN at Alwar Public School and crushed the competition by using the learning and experience from the past MENs, winning the accolades and titles. The VLM education is not limited to academics and inter-school debate, but focus on creating a rich culture of cooperation, competition, and coordination within the school premises. Every co-curricular milestone achieved in the past 2 years has been a result of different regular clubs in the morning. A special zero period is dedicated to the clubs. The students are divided into various clubs based on their choices, and intensive focus is given for their holistic development. Football club, basketball, table tennis, cricket, chess, taekwondo, art and craft, French, music, yoga, and last but not the least, dance and aerobics. We also hosted several exciting events like Olympiads of all subjects, career counseling from class 9 to 12, and stress management workshop for students. Global interaction with dignitaries across the globe. A delegate of Iceland visited our school. Excursions and picnic, Speak Make. Safety and awareness of students is a top priority of VLM. Awareness of workshop on first aid and POSCO was held for students and staff, where they were taught about good and bad touch and to create a safe and inclusive environment and to bear report if you are a victim. At the heart of any school are its teachers, and we are fortunate to have a team of highly dedicated and qualified educators. Throughout the year, our teachers participated in workshops and professional development programs, staying updated with the latest teaching methods organized by CBSE and hosted different publishers. Our school itself was the host for CBSE hosted teacher workshop. Thank you all for being here and making this event so special. Let us now enjoy the performances lined by our talented students. I'm sure you will be proud of them as we are. Thank you and I wish you all a wonderful evening ahead.
Thank you. लॉन्च हो रहा है क्या?
अरे नहीं, ऐसी छोटी मोटी चीजें हम लॉन्च नहीं करते. आखिरकार VLM के बच्चे हैं. We are launching something bigger.
निर्वाणा? What निर्वाणा कोई मेडिटेशन ऐप लॉन्च कर रहे हो?
अरे नहीं. It is a cosmic journey where we will find inner peace.
What inner peace? Are you going to talk about something like साधु महात्मा और उनके उपदेश?
ऐसे बच्चों की तरह बात मत करो वंश यार.
तो समझाओ मुझे क्या है ये निर्वाणा?
बताता हूँ, सबको एक साथ बताता हूँ. आपको पता है हम सब पंच तत्वों से निर्मित हैं और निर्वाणा भी हमें यही बताता है कि अंत में हमें इन्हीं में विलीन हो जाना है.
मतलब nothing is permanent and no one is immortal.
Yes, but one thing that is constant is the sound Om, eternal sound of universe. It represents completion of one cycle and beginning of another, reminding us कि हर अंत की एक नई शुरुआत है. तो आज शुरुआत करें. अब टाइम आ गया है अपनी लाइफ को डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब मोड पे डालने का. डाल दिया? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Vibhor Yadav,
and I, Vansh Joshi,
welcome you to the grand annual day celebration of Vijay Lakshmi Memorial Public School for the academic session 2024-25.
Master your spiritual thoughts as we embark on a mystical journey across time and eternity on our spiritual chariot.
पर हम Gen Z हैं, bike पे चलेंगे.
So Vibhor, what is this 10 to 0? Can you explain us?
Are performances based on imagination and timeless myth that have inspired generation from mighty gods and goddesses to heroic mortals. Every moment we count down from 10 to 0 will reveal a legendary tale.
And tonight, as we count down from 10 to 0, we invite you to witness a magical unfolding of tales that resonate across centuries. Each avatar is a chapter in an epic saga, a beacon of hope and wisdom for humanity.
10 symbolizes cosmic perfection, where the universe is complete in its infinite beauty.
9 represents creation and protection, the forces that shape and nurture life.
8 represents synchronized movement.
7 stands for harmony of natural cycle.
Then so on and on to the zero, the void, the shunya, where time and space blend into one.
Oh my God, Vibhor, it looks so much interesting.
Not just you, Vansh, our audience must be waiting too. इंतजार कर रहे हैं ना आप लोग? तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इस खूबसूरत सी शाम के लिए
और थोड़ी सी हम handsome anchors के लिए भी.
Thank you so much.
Thank you parents. Enjoy this evening to the fullest. Thank you very much. Thank you Vibhor.
Thank you, Vansh.